Hey everybody, Nick here with Preferred Living. And today we're going to take a closer look at a few clocks. But before we get started, woo! Quick change artist. Now I'm ready, Parrot Heads. We got you covered. Margaritaville, Jimmy Buffett, doesn't get any better than that. And these bring home the island theme anywhere you hang them. I know what you're thinking. Nick, those clocks are a little small. Are they really? Kapow, baby! 26 inches. Hold on. I'm losing it. Kapow, baby! 26-inch diameter clock. Real glass, metal hands on the thermometer and the clock. UV resistant, digitally printed. It doesn't get any better than that. And you'll be a true parrot head when people walk in and see this on your wall. As always, we like to give you a little bit of information to make an informed decision. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in Margaritaville.